Let's dive into the world of chicken breast production, where the stakes are high and precision is key. It's a journey from the farm to the factory, ensuring quality at every step. Ever wondered how that tender chicken breast gets to your plate? The journey of chicken breast production begins with selecting the perfect chickens. Farmers choose robust, healthy birds raised under strict welfare standards. The health and quality of these chickens are paramount as they directly impact the final product. These birds are typically raised in spacious environments, allowing them to grow naturally with minimal stress. Farmers monitor their diet and health closely, ensuring they receive the right nutrients and care. The selection process involves detailed health checks and weight assessments to ensure only the best birds move forward. The stakes are high here. Any oversight can affect the entire production line, making this an essential step in delivering top-quality chicken breasts to consumers. Farmers' commitment to raising healthy chickens ensures the foundation for a premium product, setting the stage for the subsequent stages of production. By maintaining high standards in breeding and raising practices, farmers play a crucial role in the overall quality and safety of the final chicken breast product. Once selected, the chickens are humanely transported from the farm to the slaughterhouse. This journey is managed with great care to minimize stress and maintain the chicken's health. Specialized transport vehicles are used, equipped with climate control to ensure comfort. Timing is crucial, as prolonged transportation can affect meat quality. Upon arrival, the chickens are given a brief rest period to recover from the journey. This careful handling ensures that the chickens are in the best possible condition before processing. The transition from farm to slaughterhouse is a critical phase, as maintaining the chicken's welfare is essential for both ethical reasons and product quality. The meticulous transport process underscores the importance of animal welfare and sets the stage for high-quality meat production. Proper handling during this stage not only ensures the chicken's well-being, but also plays a significant role in preserving the meat's integrity and flavor. In the slaughterhouse, the process begins with humane slaughtering methods. The industry adheres to strict regulations to ensure that the process is as quick and stress-free as possible. Chickens are stunned before slaughter to prevent pain and distress. The birds are then processed quickly to maintain freshness and quality. This stage is highly regulated to ensure both animal welfare and food safety standards are met. The efficiency and precision in this process are vital, as any delay can affect the quality of the meat. Skilled workers and advanced machinery ensure that the process is carried out with the highest standards, setting the stage for the subsequent stages of production. Maintaining high standards during slaughtering is crucial for producing safe, high-quality chicken breast. By adhering to these stringent practices, the industry ensures that consumers receive a product that is both ethically sourced and of the highest possible quality. After slaughtering, the chickens are immediately chilled to preserve freshness. Rapid chilling is crucial to prevent bacterial growth and to maintain the meat's quality. The chickens are either air-chilled or water-chilled, depending on the facility's methods. This step locks in the freshness and ensures the meat remains tender and safe for consumption. Maintaining the correct temperature is essential, as any deviation can compromise the meat's safety and quality. The chilling process is monitored continuously with strict adherence to food safety protocols. This stage is a critical control point in the production process, ensuring that the chicken breast reaches consumers in optimal condition. Effective chilling techniques are vital for extending the shelf life and ensuring the safety of the final product. By implementing rigorous chilling standards, the industry upholds its commitment to delivering fresh and safe chicken breasts to the market. Once chilled, the chickens move on to deboning and trimming. Skilled workers or specialized machinery remove the bones, leaving only the prime cuts of meat. This process requires precision to maximize yield and minimize waste. The chicken breasts are then trimmed to remove any excess fat or imperfections. The goal is to produce a uniform, high-quality product ready for further processing. The efficiency of this step directly impacts the overall productivity and profitability of the production line. Attention to detail is crucial, as even minor errors can affect the final product's quality and appearance. This meticulous work ensures that each chicken breast meets the highest standards. The focus on precision and quality during deboning and trimming sets the stage for superior final products. The expertise and care taken at this stage highlight the industry's dedication to providing consumers with the best possible chicken breast. Next, the chicken breast may be marinated and seasoned to enhance flavor. This step varies depending on the product specifications. Some chicken breasts are kept plain, while others are infused with herbs, spices, and marinades. The marinating process not only adds flavor, but also helps tenderize the meat. This is done using large tumblers or injectors to ensure even distribution of flavors. The precise formulation of marinades and seasonings is essential to achieve consistent taste and quality. This stage adds value to the product, catering to diverse consumer preferences. The marinated chicken breasts are then ready for the final stages of quality control and packaging. This step ensures that consumers have a variety of flavorful options to choose from. The careful attention to flavor profiles and seasoning techniques enhances the overall appeal and versatility of the chicken breast. Quality control is a continuous process throughout chicken breast production, but a final, thorough check ensures the highest standards are met. Each chicken breast is inspected for weight, size, and appearance. Any pieces that do not meet the standards are removed from the line. This step also involves testing for contaminants and pathogens to ensure food safety. The stakes are high, as any lapse in quality control can lead to product recalls and damage to the brand's reputation. Advanced technology and skilled inspectors work together to maintain the integrity of the product. This rigorous process ensures that only the best chicken breasts make it to the packaging stage. Maintaining stringent quality control measures guarantees consumer satisfaction and trust in the brand. The thorough inspections and testing reinforce the industry's commitment to delivering safe and high-quality chicken breast. Once the chicken breasts pass quality control, they are ready for packaging. This step involves sealing the chicken breasts in protective packaging to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Various packaging methods are used, including vacuum sealing and modified atmosphere packaging, which help preserve the meat without the need for preservatives. Each package is labeled with important information such as weight, sell-by date, and nutritional content. Proper packaging is essential to protect the product during transportation and storage. The efficiency of this step impacts the product's shelf life and the overall production efficiency. Well-packaged chicken breasts are now ready for distribution. The packaging process plays a crucial role in maintaining the quality and safety of the chicken breasts as they make their way to consumers. By utilizing advanced packaging techniques, the industry ensures that the product remains fresh and appealing until it reaches the consumer's table. The final step in the journey is distribution. The packaged chicken breasts are loaded into refrigerated trucks and shipped to retailers, restaurants, and other customers. Maintaining the cold chain during transportation is crucial to ensure the chicken breasts remain fresh and safe to eat. Logistics teams coordinate the delivery schedules to ensure timely arrivals. The distribution network is vast, reaching markets locally and globally. The efficiency and reliability of this process are vital to meet consumer demand and maintain product quality. From farm to fork, every step in the production process ensures that consumers receive high-quality, delicious chicken breasts. The careful coordination and management of distribution ensure that the final product reaches consumers in perfect condition. This comprehensive approach to distribution underscores the industry's dedication to delivering fresh, safe, and high-quality chicken breasts to markets around the world. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from farm to fork. This process combines careful farming practices with modern technology to deliver the tender, delicious chicken breasts we love. If you want to explore more exciting Field to Fork stories, watch our next video.